This is how to remove duplicates from count in your pivot table. In my pivot table here, I have the count of department by city. As you can see, the value is 10 everywhere, but on this pivot table on the right, I have counted the distinct count. So I removed my duplicates. So this is how to do it. First of all, if you go here to your field that you want to remove the duplicates from, simply open it and look for distinct count. If you don't have it, then you would need to recreate your pivot table. And I'm going to do that very quickly. And this is very important. When you have this wizard opened, select add this to the data model. This will ensure that you will have the option to show a distinct count. I'm hitting OK, and very quickly I'm recreating my pivot table by adding the city and the department. Now selecting the count of department again and going to value field settings. When I scroll down, I have the distinct count option in here. I'm hitting OK, and just like that, I removed the duplicates from my count. This is how to do it. Thumbs up the video if you liked it, and I'll see you in the next one.